Want ChatGPT to understand your profession or main activity? Here's how to set your occupation on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open ChatGPT app. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name at the bottom. Select personalization. Scroll down to the your occupation section. Tap the text box and tap your occupation. Okay, for example, Android tutorial creator or student. Okay, after entering your occupation, tap the check icon to save your change. Okay. Once saved, ChatGPT will use this information to provide responses that are more relevant to your profession or context. You can return to this section anytime to change or update your occupation. That's it. Your ChatGPT is now aware of your occupation and can tailor its answer to suit your context on your Android device. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.